My name is Lieutenant Commander Brandon Hempler. I'm Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo for the United States Navy Blue Angels. It's important that as Blue Angels, we strive for perfection every day. And I think one of the things that drives us is not letting those who came before us down. A lot of work has been put into this, and if nothing else, we all say that it's not going to fail on our watch. We are going to keep driving forward. We're going to always pursue perfection, even though it's very, very difficult to get. It's the thought that we may attain that someday that keeps us going. When I was in college, I was kind of searching for what I wanted to do once I graduated college, and I had two important individuals who were actually former Blue Angel team members who helped guide me along, and I've tried to just follow in their footsteps for the entire time I've been in the military, and it has served me very well.
Brandon and I had the privilege of meeting at Kansas State. I think it was around 04, 05. At that point, I don't think we really realized how much our paths would cross later on. We were both working to get into the Navy. Really, where we started to develop our relationship was a bit later on. He followed me through flight school to primary flight school. I think everyone that has had the experience of being on a team, whether as an officer or as one of the enlisted members, you get to experience something special because everybody on the team wants to be there. You know when you're turning over the reins that it's going to someone who's going to take care of it and continue to see the squadron progress and to be better than it was when you arrived and got there. That is really the glue that holds the team together, and it is what makes the Blue Angels so impressive and so good at what they do.